A side hustle is essentially a secondary job that not only brings in extra income, but also allows individuals to pursue their interests and passions alongside their main employment. Its growing popularity across various age groups can be attributed to several factors, including economic needs, the desire for financial security, and the pursuit of personal fulfillment. People are drawn to side hustles as a way to leverage their skills in a versatile way, bringing in supplementary income that can help manage financial stress or fund other life goals. This modern work trend highlights a shift towards more dynamic, multifaceted careers. Embarking on a side hustle offers more than just an extra paycheck. It's a pathway to financial freedom, allowing individuals to earn multiple income streams which can cushion against economic uncertainties. Besides monetary benefits, side hustles foster personal and professional growth. They enable skill enhancement and open new avenues for career exploration that might not be available in one's primary job. This empowerment not only boosts self-confidence, but also enriches one's career portfolio. Ultimately, the journey of managing a side hustle can be deeply transformative, fostering resilience and a proactive attitude toward life's challenges. Selecting the right side hustle is crucial for success. It should ideally align with your existing skills, interests, and the time you can commit. This personal alignment ensures that the side hustle can be both fulfilling and manageable alongside other responsibilities. Additionally, analyzing market demand is critical. A side hustle with high demand in the market can provide more sustainability and income potential. Scalability is another factor. A scalable side hustle can grow and potentially become a full-time endeavor. Careful consideration of these aspects can significantly enhance the success rate of your side hustle venture. Starting a side hustle presents unique challenges, notably in time management and balancing commitments with a full-time job. Effective planning and prioritization are essential for integrating a side hustle without compromising on professional and personal obligations. Early-stage funding can also pose a hurdle, but creative solutions like bootstrapping or crowdfunding can be explored to evade heavy debts. Setting realistic goals and a flexible schedule can help manage these issues efficiently. Additionally, embracing digital tools for better organization can streamline processes, making it easier to juggle multiple responsibilities simultaneously. Exploring real-life success stories of individuals who have transformed their side hustles into lucrative ventures can be incredibly inspiring. These stories often reveal key strategies such as persistence, learning from failures, and the continuous adaptation to market changes. They illustrate the importance of passion-driving perseverance and how a small side project can evolve into a significant source of income and personal fulfillment. These narratives not only motivate, but also provide actionable insights on navigating challenges, scaling operations, and maintaining a balance with personal life, empowering others to pursue their entrepreneurial aspirations.